Thank you for stopping by my channel. Make sure you subscribe, click that bell, double click it so you get notifications on all, and while you're at it, make sure your phone has notifications turned on. Hi beauties, it's Jean Persani and
Denise.
And you guys, we are having a girls' weekend.
So fun.
So fun. So we've just been out and shopping for the weekend.
Random stuff.
Doing what we want to do. Had some coffee.
Yes, we had a lot of coffee.
Lots of coffee.
Later we're going to have lots of wine.
Sangria.
Pool
day, mask, facial mask. But anyways, all this is because this also came in the mail today. The FabFitFun box.
I know, I'm so excited.
So we're hoping stuff is in here that we could actually use on our girls' day because we have other girlfriends coming over.
They're really good about that though. Like whatever's in the box, even if you don't pick it out, like it's usually pretty usable. Like it's not like, I don't know if I'm going to use that or not.
Yeah, this one is one that they just sent me. So I didn't get to pick any of it. But it comes with a magazine. And inside the magazine, it kind of explains everything that you could get. You only get like one of each little section. So let's go ahead and see what we got.
Alright, we'll hold things. Oh.
What's this? Brightsellers.com. Oh, it's like, is it a wine?
It looks like it.
It does. There's a card, a $50 credit toward Bright Cellars wine.
Interesting.
Yeah, there you can have that. I'm not the wine girl, she is. This is called Riddle. I'm going to have to get my old lady glasses.
I know, I was all trying to pull back so I could see.
So it says...
Oh, I can't see that at all. I see black lines.
Oh, it says roll-on fragrance oil. So here, you can look.
Oh.
You can use old lady glasses. What's it say?
Oh, there's all sorts of instructions.
I know.
Man. Oh.
What does it say?
It says just to apply to pulse points and gently rub skin together. It doesn't say what the smell is or what the scent is.
It doesn't say on here either because I'm seeing it right here.
It says original.
It says Riddle Oil Original Roll-On. This perfume mixes with your personal chemistry to create a signature scent. So each scent will be different. Are you opening it?
I am.
Now we're going to try it because...
Wait, I can't see far away and close up. One or the other.
I know.
Go ahead.
Oh, mine smells good. They're different.
They are different.
I like mine.
I like mine.
I like the way I smell.
So if you get this, tell us what yours smells like.
Yeah, that's cool.
That is very cool. It's that whole, like, different people have different pheromones kind of thing.
Yeah. So this says that it costs, if you went to buy it in the store, it would cost $50. And I think just the box
itself is that,
it's
right?
It's like $49. I
think
and then you can get little coupons and stuff. I think
wine.
Not those.
Oh.
Coupons that'll get you like 10% off.
Oh, like promo codes.
Yeah. So I'll put my promo code down at the bottom in the description. Check this out. This is a Draper James bag.
Cute.
I gotta open
Perfect
it.
for poolside.
See?
See?
My own pool. It's not too big. It's not too small.
No, that's a good personal size.
It's got a little...
Zhuzh.
Yeah. And then...
Oh, cute.
Yeah.
That way it doesn't
got
stain and you don't see it.
some lining in there. And then a magnetic clasp.
Very cute.
Very cute. I want to see. I always like to see what the prices in here are.
Right? Because you know you're getting your money's worth.
You definitely get your money's worth, and they don't inflate it.
No.
Like if I went to the store to buy this, you'd probably get that in that $50 price point. And I've done that because they've had some stuff like at Sephora, from Sephora. This bag says it's $75.
Whew.
Draper James, I don't know, maybe. Outfitted with a floral scarf, this flirty bag matches all the warm weather outfits. You can tell it's girls' day today because our hairs are just...
It's better than when we woke up, though. So.
That's true.
Okay, what's next?
This one is the Giving Key. It's a necklace. Now, in that picture, the key looks huge.
Yeah, it does.
But look at... It's very tiny. I mean, that's my pinky. And I don't have very big nails. So...
I mean, it's cute.
It is
for
cute.
very, like, everyday, simple kind of thing. And the retail price, according to the book, is $45.
Oh, it ends homelessness through employment.
That's cool.
So that's why it's called the Giving.
Very cute. And then it says believe on the actual key.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, you can't. I don't know if you can see it on that. Glasses.
Hold on, we've got this.
You gotta make
Oh,
your
it
face.
does.
Yeah. Cause like when you're putting on mascara, if you don't go like that, you're not putting your mascara on right. Oh, see? I don't think I would ever, like if I didn't read that in the book,
No,
I'd be like, oh, that's a cute little key.
because it's so tiny.
Yeah.
Okay, this next one says Zoe Ayla Face Body Ice Roller.
Wait. I'm finding it.
Helps to decrease pore size, improve skin tone, brighten under eye circles, reduce the appearance of blemishes and fine lines, and promote fluid flushing in the face.
Yeah, so puffy eyes.
Poof, poof. Let's open it. It says, leave your ice roller in the freezer. See, you gotta read the box sometimes. I would not have left that in the freezer.
Even though it says ice.
Right? Here. Oh, it's heavy.
It's metal.
It is. Leave your ice roller in the freezer for 4 or more hours before you use it. Roll it on your face. Right. I was like, oh, what happened right there? Roll it over your face and neck daily for visible improvements. Oh, listen to this. The ice roller can also be used on the body to soothe bug bites,
Nice.
sunburn, tense or sore muscles, post-workout, treat bruises, aches, or lessen discomfort before or after cosmetic treatments.
So what I got from that is bug bites,
Yeah.
sunburns, and I remember putting a frozen spoon.
Oh, on the hickeys. Huh. There you go.
So I've heard.
What was the price for these?
This is $30.
It's nice.
Yeah, it's metal. I was expecting like one of those jade ones, but it doesn't say jade, so I just assumed that's my own fault.
Huh. Okay. I think you're right. I think it's probably like a frozen spoon. All right,
Do kids still do
this.
that?
I don't know.
I do not either.
This is Maximum Application Control. It's a makeup drop. Minimal product waste. And it is one of those makeup sponges, but it's a kind of a
Duo?
duo, yeah. Because the part of it is, oh yeah. So that's your makeup sponge, but if you go on this side, this is silicone. So you would put your makeup on there, on the silicone,
And smear it.
smear it around, and then blend
I
it
like
with
how
that.
it's not too flimsy feeling. Like it has a good,
Yeah,
and that one's 20.
yeah. I can believe that.
Right?
I can. They have these at the Dollar Tree, but they are not this. They don't feel like this.
Well, no, and how much are you wasting in that?
I don't know.
Because it absorbs.
Yeah. I'm just saying. I'm just saying.
I'm just saying.
Okay, this beach mist. Beach mist.
Found it.
$42.
That's a full-size bottle.
It is. But $42. It's 4 ounces. Let's see. Botanical. Botanical After Sun Spray.
It says reset and refresh your skin by spritzing the soothing aloe, mint, and lavender mixture.
I can still smell that.
I know.
It smells good.
Mine smells fresh.
Mine smells like
floral.
woodsy.
Oh. Yeah.
Let me see. Floral? Oh, yeah. It's so weird. I think this is my new favorite.
I know. I like that. That's cool.
We're going to have to run around and put it on all of our
Everybody.
friends.
So whoever's coming over today, give us your wrist.
Oh, yeah. This smells like a spa.
Mm-hmm. Put some cucumbers on. That little rolly thing.
There's no masks or anything in this one. Oh, well.
Oh.
But we are going to be in the pool, so this will go on us after the pool.
I want to put this on my son and see what his smells like.
You teenage boy.
Oh, maybe I don't want to put that on my son.
Okay, and this is the last thing. Business and pleasure luxury lifestyle goods. Let's see.
So this one is $59.
Oh, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
It's a food holder.
Food and drinks, it keeps them cold and crisp. So those like summer concerts.
Oh,
I
yeah.
miss summer concerts, guys.
Concerts in the park. So Denise and I, we were all set to attend well over 30 concerts.
Oh, yeah. We had a pass for it. So.
Oh, yeah. So we were going to go to like 30 different concerts. And, of course, every single one of them got canceled or postponed till next year.
So bummed.
So bummed. Well, there you go.
But, I mean, that looks like it's tall enough to hold cans.
Yeah.
Right?
This was going to be a long... Now I've just bummed myself out. All the concerts.
We were supposed to have one last night and tonight.
Yeah, Sugarland was last night.
I don't know who was tonight.
Oh. And then I was supposed to go to Maui, but that got postponed.
We were supposed to go on a cousin's cruise next week.
No, this weekend, wasn't it?
No, the 25th.
Oh, the 25th. We were supposed to go on a cousin's cruise next week.
There's like 6 of us going.
Yeah. Got canceled.
So
I was supposed
bummed.
to go to New Orleans, got canceled. Salt Lake City got canceled.
I was supposed to go to Memphis. Still going.
She's still going.
Still going.
Man. I'm ready for all this to be done with. And now, we can't go out anywhere without face masks.
I know.
This is really the first time I've talked too much about that in my videos, but okay, I got it.
Yeah, that's a good size.
That's huge. That is really big.
Mm-hmm.
That could hold multiple drinks.
We could take that to the river.
No, I don't want to get it messed up.
That is true.
Because it is pretty.
It is very cute. Does it have a pocket in the front?
It does. Very little pocket, though. For your, like, key or
For your one key?
credit card. So, what company is this?
Business and pleasure.
So, that's everything. That was definitely...
That's definitely worth the $50.
Yeah.
Right? I mean, just some of these bags alone are the $50.
Mm-hmm. Well, if you like these, please give me a big thumbs up. Thank you, Denise, for coming over for our girls' weekend. It's only 3 of us plus the other 2, so...
But we're kid-free.
5 of us. I know. Totally kid-free. So. All right. So we're going to post this, and then we're going to go get in the pool.
Yep, pretty much. And stay there all day. So that way we can use that cooling mist.
Mm-hmm. And put some more of this. I think this is my favorite thing. You guys, if nothing else, try and find it. Original by Riddle. If you go to like a store or something, look for it and just put it on. It smells so good. Like, it puts me in a good mood.
Yeah, because it's not a dark kind of smell. It's very like bright, or at least mine is.
Yeah. All right. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye. Guys, I found one more thing.
Hey guys, it was like
We've been sitting here talking for like 3 minutes, right? Oh, I love how I smell. Oh, I want to buy this. Oh.
And then as we're putting things back in the box and move tissue paper around,
we find it. So it's a cream. This is a hand cream by Spongel, and it's a coconut verbena. Well, we can't put it on because we're fully in love with the way we smell right now.
Right.
But smell it. It still smells good.
I like the smell of coconut, and even just like verbena, just separately.
Mm-hmm.
So that I had to find the magazine. Goes for $18.
For this guy, 2 ounces.
It's a blend of hyaluronic acid, shea butter, and macadamia seed oils.
And argan oil, it says in here.
See?
So, very cool. That's a hand cream. So, and what else did we learn?
Oh,
we learned about this. So, we remember this one with the believe. Apparently, it says choose and embrace your words. Pass it on to someone who you feel needs the message. And then that supports jobs for people transitioning out of homelessness. And it's in LA. So, I guess there's other words.
Which is cool.
Yeah.
Because then you can kind of personalize that gift.
So, all in all, I think it was a good thing. All right, this time we're really leaving.
Bye for reals this time.
Talk to you later.
Bye.